Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about something that has completely transformed my EDC. It's something that I've been testing out and using for the past week, and it's something that I'm really excited to show you guys. This video is sponsored by NeoSmart, and they are a design-centric, functional backpack sling creator. Fantastic company, and so today's video is sponsored by them. These thoughts, however, are all of my own and exactly how I feel about it. They did send me this backpack for free. You've seen the unboxing, and they sent it to me to review and use, and this is my 1 week review of that bag. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, now let me show you what makes this bag actually so special. And the biggest thing is its storage. You have a few different pockets. Let's start here in the back. So if you didn't see the unboxing video, you have a little secret compartment back here that would be perfect for like a wallet or a passport or something like that. This is actually for a water bottle. I don't know how many water bottles are going to fit in there, but I think I can use different things for it and not really use a water bottle because my water bottle just honestly doesn't fit in there. And then there's a storage here in the front, this pocket here. We'll get into that in a second. We're going to start back here with this pocket that shows where your laptop and stuff goes. So you unzip it and you have a ton of storage. So here I have my M2 Pro 14-inch MacBook Pro right here. And it's got this nice, very soft, plush lining that really just, you know, your gear is going to be taken care of when it's in here. And in this pocket, this is where you can put a tablet. So I have my M2 11-inch iPad Pro. Slides right in there. And then I have this thing that comes with me pretty much everywhere. And then that's all I really keep in this back compartment. Now, if I do want to get something in the front compartment, I can unzip it and I can reach into it and get it from here just like this. Now, this buckle is pretty darn cool. So you just slide it open like this, and it also magnetically connects. So it doesn't come out like this, but you can magnetically connect it, and it's just so satisfying. So you open it up like this, and you have this whole compartment here. All right, so you have 2 pockets here. So in this pocket, I'm keeping my MX Anywhere 3S mouse, and I have my Logitech Keys to Go 2 keyboard right in there. You also have a zipper pocket right here that has a ton of space. I have a couple of things in there. And then it's a really deep bag. So at the very bottom, I have my tech pouch that's got all my charging stuff. And so that's where everything is kept. Now, there is a ton of storage options, and you can use this for so many types of things. I mean, it's just a huge, I say huge backpack, but it's not a huge backpack. It's about really the same size as my 15-liter nomadic backpack that I've been using for my EDC forever now. And this is basically the same size, and I can fit more stuff in it better. Like, there's better organization to it. Now you have this front pocket. Now, this does have a zipper, but one thing that I noticed, and this gets in the way. Now, I don't ever want to see them get rid of this, but if they could put this part here so that it connects like this, and then you can just open up this and unzip it, I think that would probably be better. Now, there is a magnet here that will click that into place, but in here I just keep a few things, mostly like a battery bank, my AirPods, and things like that. So it's just for like little knickknacks that I want to be able to access quickly. It's just this does tend to get in the way, and it does become kind of annoying to where sometimes if I really need to dig in there, I have to go like this, then I have to open it, and then I have to get into my things like that. It would be better if they put this part, keep this stripe here, this leather piece right here, keep this, but then just put this part here so that when it comes, clicks into spot and it's connected to this part right here. I don't know, I feel like that would be better. But I love the design of the flip top here. I think that is so freaking cool. And then you have this little keychain here. I'm probably gonna put an air tag on the side of here and keep this. This is really cool. So that's basically the bag. That is it. Those are all the storage compartments. Now it does have this right here that's Velcroed down so that if you're carrying it with luggage, you can just slide it onto the handle. And when you're not using it, you Velcro it and it just sits flush. These straps are super, super padded. They're soft. They're so comfortable. This is really, really comfortable to carry. Like I said, I've been using this for a week and I've had zero issues. And now here's another cool part. I'm the type of person to where when I'm carrying my backpack, I don't want it to have these things just dangle along everywhere. So they have these right here. And I think this is genius. Like you can take them off, but I'm never taking them off. That way it just stays. So once you get it to the size that you want, you don't have a bunch of stuff. You don't have a bunch of strap just hanging off, floating in the wind. It's so freaking cool. So this is the NeoSmart Herman Pro half roll top backpack. And you might be wondering, what are the materials of this backpack? Well, those materials would be, they do have a trademarked material. So like this type of material right here, this is vegan leather. So it's got a lot of vegan leather pieces to it that are on here. But the main part right here is NA-Tex, trademarked NA-Tex material, which is really nylon and spandex combined. And they use DuPont technology to make this waterproof. Now, I have not had an opportunity to test that. The weather's been actually pretty darn good. Tomorrow it is supposed to rain, so I can give you a quick update tomorrow on how it handles that. But looking at it and feeling it and seeing other videos, this is gonna handle the rain easily. And you can tell here, like with this flip top design, the water's just gonna roll down and it's not gonna mess anything up. It's gonna be, I mean, this is just so freaking nice. This is their trademarked Fidlock magnetic buckle, and I think this is one of the coolest parts about it. I mean, I honestly just love it. It's easy to get into, easy to lock up, and it's secure and just looks really awesome. Now this bag does come in two sizes. One is a 20 liter and one is a 25 liter backpack. And I believe this is the 20 liter backpack. Now the one thing that I like about this more than my nomadic bag is the compartments. So the back part, like I showed you, I have my 14-inch laptop back there, but that will fit up to a 16-inch laptop. So if you have the 16-inch MacBook Pro, you're good to go. So it holds large laptops and even smaller laptops with no problem. And then you saw the individual compartment that protects your tablet. So if you're the type like me that carries a laptop and a tablet, which I do, I have my MacBook and my iPad in there, and they have separate compartments. So I know they're not going to bump into each other. They're not going to scratch each other. Both of those are safe and well protected, and I absolutely love that. And then on the inside, you have a PU embossed interior that's 100% polyester. Like I showed you, you have that plush, very soft liner for the laptop section, and you know that it's just going to keep your laptop nice and safe. So if you're looking for a new backpack for your EDC, you guys really got to check out NeoSmart. The link will be down below. There is an affiliate link below, and if you use that affiliate link and use the coupon code MWarren10, you can save 10% on your purchase. So if you want to buy it, trust me, go to the link, use my coupon code MWarren, MWarren 10, and you will get 10% off your purchase. I can't say enough great things about this bag. It is super nice, and it has really transformed my EDC. With my OCD, I just always hated having my stuff in one large compartment. Now I can separate my stuff the way I like, and I know that my stuff's not going to get scratched up and damaged. This has just made my life so much better, and I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a new backpack, you want something better than what you have, something that's affordable, premium materials, looks premium, and the style is so nice, go check out NeoSmart. Guys, hopefully you like this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. And guys, I will catch you on the next one. Later.